Today, getting home from work, 70 degrees outside, better than the 105 the other day. My God, it was so hot. But I decided that I will wash the inside of my truck bay or engine bay because I am going to put on sound deadening material that I got from Amazon. So we could look at that, probably a nice day. Well, you know, well, it's very nice. Anyway, back to the last one is our build line. So you can fight with me. Then you can see that way. I wanted to do this for the headlining or headliner, but that's going to be like taking it all out. That's a big project. For right now, I'll just do the engine bay, and then later I want to do the headliner, but I also want to do the starlight in the headliner, which is going to be a pretty huge project, and then I want to do the flooring also. So take the seats out and the carpet and everything. Pretty good. So that's all the reviews, and this stuff is as good as the more higher cost soundproofing. And it's going to be an engine bay, so I'm not too worried about it. But 9, 10, yeah, so that 10 is square. So that's where it's going to go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, so 15, 16 areas, but like I bet this one and that one is going to be 1, this one's going to be 1, so that's 2, 3, 4, maybe I'll use 5, maybe. keying tools, this little box, so I'm not putting everything in my pocket. I got this because the next project is going to be some vinyl wrap some stuff. So we gotta do those over there. Yeah, so I'm gonna vinyl wrap. I don't know, well, vinyl wrap. I do have it. I was gonna do the mirrors. Might do the mirrors this weekend. Should have got the one with the separate, I think it was like the 6-pocket one. So each thing had its own pocket. I got the 4-pocket, which is like 2 really big pockets and then 2 on the side. Not quite liking it like I thought I would.